VPN stand out to be one of the things which you can't live without if you're using the internet as frequent as others. Today I want to show you why when you connect, why your VPN is slow and why when you connect to the other server it's much faster. Don't forget to click the subscription button to share out to your friends so that they can get more and more of this content. Well, if I miss out something, if I leave out something, don't forget to leave up in the comment box of this video. I'll be able to answer to you as soon as I can. Okay, now the first thing which affects your server speed. Now, if you look at, if I say someone is based in America and he connects to a server is in Canada, is different. The speed is kind of different from someone who is based in America or in the States and is connected to a server based in Australia. The two people won't get the same server speed, but however, keeping other factors constant like the tunnel sprinting of the provider. This means that if I told you need a frequent, like a clear speed, you need to get a server located or nearer to your location. The other stuff is the encryption level of your provider. Now, if I told it's your server, the encryption level can affect the rate at which your server transfer traffic, depending on the setup of the server. So the higher the encryption level, the higher it can lower the speed at which the traffic is. Now the protocols, if I talk of the protocols, this I mean the OpenVPN. Now some protocols tend to be slower compared to others. That means you choose a server with protocol. You can go out there and search which is faster than the other, keeping other factors constant, which is the server load. Now every server has a maximum number of traffic which should be going through it, and once that traffic exceeds, that is an overload. Like if I told the number of devices connected to that server are higher than what it is supposed to accommodate, now this results into the low speed or at the low rate at which data is being transferred through in and out of that server. Well, there are many other reasons, there are many other factors as to why I've missed out some. If I've missed out some, don't forget to leave them in the description, the comment box, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thanks.